One of the ways to become expert is to write reviews for top brands in your niche. The reviews, when we talk about the technology, when we talk about the new trends, when we talk about big brands in your niche, they need to be positive and they need to be real and they need to be impactful and helpful. So, for example, when I was in photography, writing that review about the new camera or about the new lenses or something like this was very useful, because as a fellow photographers who didn't yet try this camera, didn't yet try this piece of equipment, would utilize it, like it, and maybe share it. That's why you become an expert, because you are looking for the new technology. So if one of my friends, he did write an expert review about the printing Epson some equipment, and this review brought him more clients than anything else, because he was known and offered all across internet as a person who know everything about this big brand. Personally, I did write review about the brand called Rational, and I was invited as an influencer for the dinner with the head of the company, because we were writing a lot about them for our food industry brand. So brands are willing to collaborate. So always look for brands who are willing to collaborate, write reviews, and become an expert who knows everything in your niche.